What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video gonna be about the green figures. Okay, so I'm gonna show you briefly how to get started with this project. I'm gonna explain to you how this project works and how you can make money with the project. Okay, guys. So green figures is a platform where the traders behind the scenes invest not in cryptocurrencies but in forex trading. Okay, guys. For forex trading, it's less volatile than crypto trading. So don't expect to make huge gains with this project because it ain't gonna happen. Okay, guys. So more about that shortly. So currently they have um, a cashback giveaway right now. So if you invest 1,000 BUSD or more, you get 3% cash back. Okay, so for example, if you invest 1,000 bucks, you will get 30 bucks back. Okay, so this is valid until 500,000 is invested. So current TVL is close to 500,000. Okay, guys. So if you are interested in investing in projects where they don't rely on fixed APR, but they do rely on how the trades are performed. Okay, this is the project for you. Okay, not to say it's been audited by the Stamp and George Stamp. It's part of the team members. Okay, so that shows some transparency and security, and also the dev team has been audited by Anoni Docs. Okay, so in a minute, I'm going to enter the DApp. I'm going to show you my dashboard, and I'm going to show you how the project works. But over here, we have a flow. Okay, we have a money flow chart. Okay, so first things first, you come over here with your BUSD. Okay, so that means you're going to interact with the Green Figures smart contract. Okay, so you're going to make a deposit. Okay, and then from there, from Monday to Friday, right? They're going to perform trades. So you invest, and then on a Sunday, okay, 100% of the TVL will be um, sent to Forex trades. Okay, so Forex traders will perform trades with 100% of the TVL. Okay, so they will perform trades from Monday to Friday, as you can see right here. And then Friday, as soon as the market closes, all profits generated from Monday to Friday are sent back to the TVL green figures on a Saturday, and then on a Saturday you can claim your rewards, claim or compound, whatever you want to do. Okay, and over here we have the distribution of the profits. Okay, 20% goes to the team. Okay, because they doing all the hard work, technical analysis, performing the trades. All that is time consuming. You have to be in front of the computer to be able to perform those trades. Okay, and we as investors, all we got to do is send the money to the smart contract and let them perform the trades with our funds. Essentially, that's how it works. That's why they take a 20% cut for their work. Okay, and the investors get the remaining 80%. Okay, and down here we have the frequently asked questions. Okay, so let's go over to DApp. Okay, and on a DApp, we can see my dashboard. So once you come over here to this DApp, you connect your wallets and boom. Okay. As you can see right here, we have the project stats, right? So the smart contract total invested is 403,000 BUSD. Okay. Total investors, 668 investors. Total profit so far, 56.4 thousand BUSD. Okay, and over here we got the weekly reports. Okay, so on the first week they make 5.3%, second week 10.3%, third week 3.6%, and probably tomorrow they're gonna release the past week report. Okay, and over here we have the investors stats. Okay, the wallet balance, total invested, invested total profits, and available profits right now. So this one, available profits, is from the last week. So I suppose this past week we have made 7.62% over here. Okay, so how to get started with this project? Okay, guys, like I said, you connect your wallets, boom, and then you come over here and you decided to invest, let's say 100 bucks. Okay, so you got to prove, okay, pay the MetaMask gas fee, and then you have to hit invest again. Okay, come over here, hit invest, and you are good to go. Okay, so like I showed you over here, every Saturday, the profits will be returned to the platform, to the smart contract, for investors to either claim or compound. And it's very, very simple. Okay, so as you can see right here, I have 7.87 available to claim. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to claim this 7.87. So if I want to claim, I'm going to come over here, hit claim. Okay, MetaMask will pop up and it will ask me to interact with my smart contract and green figures, withdraw profit. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit yes, pay the MetaMask gas fee on my ledger. Okay, and in a few seconds, boom, voila. Okay, these figures will change. Okay, and essentially that's how it works. Okay, there you go. Okay, so now my stats has been updated. So investors total profits 24.20 bucks. Okay, so that means I've made so invested 100 bucks. Okay, so I am 24.20% ROI. Okay, scrolling further down, we can see the referral. So once you make your first deposit, you will have a referral link. So copy that referral link, share that referral link with your family, friends, social media, whoever joins the platform under your referral link. You will get a 2% commissions of the profits, not from the people's investment, but from their profits. Okay, and scrolling down, we can see the green figures investment. So you can see my stats, okay, my investment, my profits earns, my profits claims, okay. And down here, so for example, you'll roll with this project for a week, and then after a week, you'll be like, okay, I'm not happy with green figures. I want to bail out, okay. So if you want to withdraw your initial capital, in my case, my 100 bucks, all I gotta do is come over here, hit request. Okay, MetaMask will pop up. Okay, and all I got to do is confirm, and my request will be sent. Okay, if you decided to change your mind, you can always come over here and cancel. Okay, so once you cancel, you're not going to get your initial back from this request. Okay, and your capital will be refunded within 8 days. You will not earn rewards in this period. Okay, guys, so it will take you roughly a week to get your capital back, and while you're waiting for your capital to be returned to you, you're not going to earn any money because you decided to cash out. Okay, as simple as that. And down here we have green figures complete beginners tutorial. Okay, essentially I just resumed you how to get started with this project and how everything works. And one last thing that I want to show you is the live trade. So if you click over here, live trades, it will take you to this page. Okay, green figures live trades, and we can see the stats of the project of these, in this case the green figures. Okay, we can see the balance, we can see equity, we can see the highest, we can see profits, we can see everything. Okay, and we can see the growth, the chart that shows growth. Okay, down here we can see more stuff. We can see the statistics, profitabilities, best trades, worst trades, all that. And a cool thing I like about this is it shows you how much, what's the winning rates between winners and losers per hour. Okay, so 70%, 30%. You can see how everything works hourly, daily. Okay, which is really, really good to see. Okay, guys, but you will have to spend some time looking at these trades to fully understand how everything works. And I'm not going to show you on these videos. So I would recommend you to come over here, spend some time and understand how everything is working. Okay, guys. But essentially, I am happy with green figures. Okay. And yeah, so far so good. Shout out to the traders; they are performing well. Okay, so let's keep bringing that money in. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. All the links gonna be down in the description. Oh, one more thing. Down here we have the Twitter page. Sorry, the Twitter page right here, and the Telegram group. The Telegram group is where they announce the weekly trades, how everything is going, and if there is any updates. So in this case, right now, we have this bonus right here, cash back for 1,000 plus investment. Okay, so all that. So it's very important to stay close to the TG or Twitter or both, so you can stay up to date about the projects, any news, any updates, any changes, all that. Okay, guys. So always look after your investment. That being said, guys, all the links going to be down in the description. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.